Here's how to add contacts in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid and select Contacts. Once Google Contacts opens, click the Create Contact button. Enter the person's name, email address, and any other details you want to save. You can also add a phone number, notes, or organization if needed. After entering the details, click Save. That contact is now stored in your Google account and synced with Gmail. Now when you compose a new email in Gmail, just start typing their name or email. Gmail will automatically suggest the contact. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact in Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple Gmail and Google account tips.